nga kuno ang pataw hapit na makabatol og tulo sa mga pare. Kung natagan pa ko higayon nga makapadayon sa maong ambisyon, tingali usana ko ni aning tulo. Ikaw pa na bahinon. Ulitaw pa ko kanihadto, makamao naman ko nga mo Rosario o Bulbina. Salamat sa tuwa na sa salang kalibutan akong ina, Amada Helvila Santillan, na maong tanday sa lingkod kung pangalauna. Sa pag-alabay kanunay sa Diyos, she trained me to pray the rosary with her as early as 4 years daily. We offer go to the church together. Mangyaktos kami aron masip ang pamilya. Kaya makahigop niyo init na kainit kahuman nasa misa. I was so proud of my mother who gave me such inspiration of life. Bisan si Tata nihilag usab sa biyang naggraduate ko sa elementarya kay lagi. Gusto man siya nga makapadayon ko pag-eskwela with the benefit of being a first honor. You will be given a 1-year free tuition before NDSI. Apan tungod lagi kay wa naman ako ma-maintain ang akong standard, mao nga the following year I was forced to quit schooling and focus on work just to support my family out of my meager earnings. During my high school, by the way, Mr. Renato Sauslino, the elder brother of Mrs. Alec, our head teacher, was my classmate. The brightest pupil representing barangay. Kabat, nag-antos ko sa daghang mga katuligan. Sa pagpaulipon sa tao, usahay ang akong luwa magatulo. Samtang nagkakaon ako kay natural naman yun ng kasapan kita sa atong agalos. Roughly estimated, I was out of school for 6 long years, and the most difficult thing that I have to overcome sa diyang ni back to school ko last 1980s is that sila si Renato na akong classmate na mga pakahuman na o ang nangilo kong classmate sa pagbalik na ako mauna ang iyang manod na si Billy Sarsville. Dili lang kay back to the future ko, but back to the primitive times, counting all those years that I missed in schooling, but it did not deter me to push through. Padayon ko nga nalimpalag, hantod na nagkagadual ko sa kolehiyo last 1989 with the degree of Bachelor of Science, major in Economics. This is in accordance to what I desired, the field of political science preparatory to law. Pero wako'y manimo kaya nga galon man, mao'y nagbuo. That took place in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. At that time, in inyong igsoon, 23 years na ang age. While gihapon mo unong niadto na sad o Manila aron adto mangita o trabaho. Under struggle na sad. Kay journalistic computation, you cannot easily learn a job fitted to your profession. Nakatrabaho tungod ko apan self-care radio. Kanang sa United States Alliance Section sa Santa Cruz. Tinabangan ako sa mga gamit sa akong igagaw nga taga-Kudya, Mrs. Anselma Bernaldez. Ako pa man gani nakauban dito sila sa Dudong Omega Fernandez. Mga anak sa mga tiyayong Francisco alang sa mga tao. So, bumili na katao 30,000 pinilalim. This is not easy if you are not commissioned suggest sa pagdimo sa imong referee everyone can see spiritually your leader of ancestry kaliwatan 10 to 12 generation backward. Maunay rason nga nakasawa ko og Haponisa. The first and only living in Patay who did it by the grace of God and through the FFWPU founder, Reverend San Yu Moon. By the way, my wife Masayo Ishikawa was a member of FFWPU Japan, while yours truly was an RPFFWPU member as well. Mauna na ang kanunang gibalik-balik o certain Reverend Moon sa tanang membro sa tibok kalibutan. Mao nga kinahanglan magpakabuhi ni Alan Saldan. Live for others was our password. He said your mind and body must be united, centering on God's love. You should be public-minded and impart God's blessing to other people. Matod pa niya, kinahanglan niya kamo should become model families in the society, nation, and the world. Matod pa niya, walay pinakataas na matang sa relasyon, gawas sa relasyon tayo sa ginikanan o anak. O walay pinakataas na matang sa posisyon dili sa yuta gawas sa mapaninong anak na lalaki o babae. Sa Diyos, mauni rason nga nihalad ko sa gamay buma sa akong luwa. Simot o dugo. Thirst, sweat, and blood to complete this 1-minute classroom of the kindergarten. Sharing of God's blessing to all this the main reason, and not to make my name known to you or for any position. And my wife was also parents of these children who were suffering from inconvenience. Of our classroom, linawagan o pagkasalibuhan sila samtang nagtun. And this is supposed not to be like that. If all of us were public-minded, like God, and willing to offer our lives for others, look at my father. My physical brothers and sisters, are we rich and possible enough to do this? Of course not. Why should I not give this money for the graduates to them so that their lives could be improved? The permanent conventional way done by those people working abroad, I'm sorry, some of us who have overseas workers, relatives, it's not bad. But the point is, that just to live for ourselves is not that God wanted us to do. He wanted us to give and magbilaag na pagbati sa pagbuhat sa butang na ating gihimo. We should all live for others. That's the principle of the cosmos and the universe. One of the graduation things that I can still recall and I put ang kalabos binig babag sa kalampasan. Ako kining Osbo. Ang kalabos binig babag alang sa pagpakabuhi alang sa uban. Thank you and may God bless you.
Thank you, Jenny. And I hope this message will open the mind of our barangay here in the people of Barangay Patay. So thank you for the message. And now, let's welcome the words of acceptance by our very own Mrs. Annabelle Is Alon, the principal of our San Jose Elementary School. Hinaut lang, akong panginautin na among malitong pasalamat na abot na ito kang dyan. Nasa pagkatinuod, wala nyo kayo magkamuel, although John, according to the pictures here, John promised last year na he will be extending help here in school. Yahaw na tuma na gayod mo. Kung ang solar, ato naging makita ang katumanan sa iyasa.